Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Pico Rivera local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move comes with unique challenges. You will likely be going to the next state over or even across the country. Any move of 100 miles or more is considered a long-distance move. We help you with all the necessary services for your move. Our team will even provide any of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Hiring a California moving company for your local move might seem hard to rationalize. However, when you realize how much time you will save, it makes more sense. Plus, you won't have to recruit family or friends to help you carry the heavy items. We take care of all of it, and you avoid all that heavy lifting on moving day. With 3Movers, you get a streamlined moving process to make life easier. We take your local move and get it done faster, so you can get settled in sooner. A move that would take you all weekend, we get done in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pico Rivera moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.